This tutorial will explain how you can re-download your previously deleted digital video games on the PS4. From the home screen, move all the way to the right and then select Library. From the Library screen, select the Purchased option on the left side menu. You should now see a list of video games you own that aren't currently installed on your console. Some of these may be locked behind PlayStation Plus if you aren't an active member. Others may have been removed from the PS Plus Extra and Premium catalogs, which means that they can no longer be downloaded even if you are an active member. To re-download a game, select it from the Not Installed menu, and then select the Download option from its product page. If this video helped you out, then you can show your support for this channel by clicking on the like button.